In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the paint bucket. Click on the paint bucket and you can see that we can choose from a variety of colours. We can either go to the pencils and choose the colours that are already here for us, or we can go to this colour wheel and choose more colour. Let's try the pencils first. I've selected a yellow. I now can go around selecting items and paint them in yellow. But if I use the rotate button, you can see that this back area hasn't been painted. How do I select all this area to be coloured in yellow? We can use the select button that we can find here and triple click on it until it's turned blue. Then we can go to our paint bucket and press yellow. This time, if we rotate using the orbit button, you can see that every side has been painted yellow. Let's try that again. This time, the paint bucket will choose a nice blue. But I want to paint every side. So basically, I go up to the select button, click on the object that I want to paint, triple click until it turns blue, back to the paint bucket, hover over the shape, press blue. We can use the orbit to see that every side has been painted. Remember, not all shapes have to be the same colour. You could choose different colours for different areas, depending on what colour scheme you'd like to use.
Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?
Within the paint bucket, we can also use textures. There are a variety of textures that are already available to use. For example, wood, metal, patterns, stone, and select one of these wood features. Again, selecting the area that we want to paint, hovering the paint bucket over that shape and clicking with the mouse. Again, we can also paint a whole object. This time, let's choose patterns. Using the select button, click the object that you'd like to paint until it all turns blue. Then the paint bucket, hover the paint bucket over the shape and click. Return to the select button and deselect it by clicking off the screen. Use the orbit tool to move around your object and colour in the items.
Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?